Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Rath for Jagannath for Rath Yatra, and it is so easy and wonderful. So let's get started. First of all, we need these rectangular pieces with height 18 centimeter and width 2 centimeter. And now these are for poles actually. So there are pillars for our Rath that we need these, and you're gonna combine them all with tape like this. Then it is strong, and we need 8 poles, okay, for the Rath, these big poles. And now for the pyramid, we're gonna take 4 triangles, and we're gonna combine it with again tape like this inside and outside so that it does not come out like this. We're gonna combine all 4 triangles like this. And now for the flag, we're gonna take a toothpick and put it there like that, and then put the tape again like this. Okay, now yes, now it is somewhat cross, but that's fine. If you keep it straight and put a tape again around it, then it is good. Okay, and then yeah, again you're gonna combine those 4 like this. Okay, like this. Okay, and now I like this, the same thing. I made 3 pyramids, one bigger one and two small like this. Okay, the measurements are given on the screen, you can see that. And the base measurement is not so required, that's your wish, how much you want to take you can take. And now we were gonna attach all the pyramids like in this way. Like this, I attached all the 3 pyramids. Okay, now for the pillars, to keep the pillars we need some supporting rectangular pieces. So for the sticking them, we gonna tape it like this to half. Okay, only half is there on the piece and half will be in like this. Okay, in on the our upper part like this. You're gonna stick all 4 sides. Okay, the strips of cardboard like this. Okay, and now I have stuck the pillars with so many tapes, and these supporting rectangular pieces are very helpful in that, or else you cannot stick them like this. With tape I have stuck the all of them like this. Okay, you can see outside also I have kept so that it is more strong and does not come out, because the pillars are quite important for our Rath. And now see, it is superbly standing on the floor, you can see that. And now in the same way like we did the upper part, have taken a cardboard and put the supporting rectangular pieces inside and outside for that also. Okay, now coming to the pillar decoration, let's start our decoration. So with the golden tape I have taken, and now I'm rolling it like this, you can see that. And in the same way I have done with the blue color tape, the same way. And I have left some gaps so that plaster comes there. And now coming to the wheels, I have taken 2 wooden sticks, and you can see how I am keeping the cardboard to put the wooden sticks there. First you apply gum so that it's some more strong, tape does not come out. So like this, fold it round like that. You can see that curve is there. And then you're going to seal it with tape like this. In the same way I have did the right side also, like that. You're going to seal it like this. Both sides I have done. Now coming to the wheels measurements are given on in the screen, you can see. Like this, a small circle first you keep, apply glue, and then you're gonna stick big circle, and then you're gonna apply glue again. can see. And then you're gonna put small circle again like this. Can see our small circle. I will keep. Okay. Actually, it's not necessary to pluck it into the wooden stick and then keep. Then I have covered this with a tape in the edges, you can see. Now for the wheel covering, I am taking 3 circles. The sizes are there on the hole like this. I took 3 circles. Those 3 are important for us to cover. Okay, the same size, the stick size, that is small circle, and in the middle circle is that one, like that. And then I have stuck them, and then I am keeping golden tape around it. It looks beautiful like that, and our wheel is ready. Now it does not, so that it does not come out, we're gonna keep a gum, a plasters like that, you can see that. And then again you're gonna keep that paper which we have cut, no, that type of paper. And then the small one, now you're gonna keep it here, so 3 are useful in one circle. Okay, then in the same way all of them you're gonna do. Both sides I have done the same way. And now there is empty place, so I'm taking green tape and then rolling it. In the same way I have done all the sides. The wheels are ready, guys, and I tried it, it's superbly moving. And in other, the same way we did the upper part, I have done another base so that it fits our upper part. Okay, in the same way those supporting rectangles I have kept, and so that we can stick these pillars out here. And now I am showing you how to keep pillars. You can see we have left the space, no, so that the decoration does not get covered. I have kept these left the gaps, and afterwards we will cover them with paper. So I have done them all like this. And now I have kept the yellow sheet. I have stuck it nicely because we already kept the pillars, right? We can stick that. And now for covering the pyramids, I have taken few red color sheets, red color triangles, and I have put a design of tilak there. And now after sticking them, I am covering with green color tape so that it looks beautiful like this. Can see it looks beautiful. We're gonna cover all of them in the same way, guys. So yeah, it looks beautiful. Now for the flag which we have kept the toothpick, we're gonna cover it with green color tape in the same way as I did. Okay, like this you're gonna cover, and then we will keep a red color sheet like flag shape. Now for the second level, I have taken a few small pillars, and now I'm painting that with white and blue. You can see like this we're going to paint. And our upper part is got ready because I covered all them with tapes and decorated that with the yellow sheet. So that's superb. And now we're gonna stick them, I mean the small pillars which I have made for the second level. Okay, because I kept for those also I have kept the rectangular pieces. Okay, and that's fine. Like this we're gonna cover stick the uh, pillars. And now I'm gonna the down part which we made the wheel, right? In that part I have already stuck the white sheet, the yellow sheet, and now I'm keeping the plasters. I have to bend down so much and then I have to keep the plasters like this, you can see, because my hand was not fitting. Like this I made. And now I made few flowers for decorating. And now for the horses, you're gonna take a printout, color it, outline it, and you're gonna cut it. Cut it and stick it on a cardboard. This is a book cover. You can see it is a cardboard, and cut it. Cut it. Okay. Both sides you're gonna stick it like this. You can see how I made. Like this, you're gonna stick, and you can cut it. I have kept few straws connecting, and then I have kept those horses. Now comes the real darshan.
Jai Jagannath, Jaya Baladeva, Jaya Subhadra. Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jaya Baladeva.